Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about dandruff. Dandruff is a common chronic scalp condition marked by flaking of the skin on your scalp. Dandruff isn't contagious or serious, but it can be embarrassing and sometimes difficult to treat. The good news is that dandruff usually can be controlled. Mild cases of dandruff may need nothing more than daily shampooing with a gentle cleanser. More stubborn cases of dandruff often respond to medicated shampoos. For most teens and adults, dandruff symptoms are easy to spot. White, oily-looking flakes of dead skin that dot your hair and shoulders, and a possibly itchy, scaly scalp. The condition may worsen during the fall and winter, when indoor heating can contribute to dry skin, and it might improve during the summer. A type of dandruff called cradle cap can affect babies. This disorder, which causes a scaly, crusty scalp, is most common in newborns, but it can occur anytime during infancy. Although it can be alarming for parents, cradle cap isn't dangerous and usually clears up on its own. Most cases of dandruff don't require a doctor's care, but if over-the-counter dandruff shampoos aren't helping, or if your scalp becomes red or swollen, see your doctor or a doctor who specializes in skin conditions, a dermatologist. You may have seborrheic dermatitis or another condition that resembles dandruff. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to check out parts 2 and 3 of our dandruff series, and more.
Hi, I've been using Rest More for a few weeks. Helps me relax a lot. I really like it. I sleep soundly through the whole night, and I recommend it to everyone, so try the product Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.